Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is, well, August 23rd. It's been a month since it's been online, really. And let's start taking a look at the futures this morning. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved and necessary to seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, guys. I'm just waking up this morning, getting things going here. So let's take a look at the charts. And what I'm going to be doing today is I've been on holidays. And I only had one screen. That was driving me crazy because, as you know, I like more than one screen. Now I have two, but I'm going to still play on the one string method, or not one screen. But what I'm trying to do was simplify and see how we can trade. So what you see here, let me see here. Let's go back to the previous screen here. I'm going to drag this over. Just want to see how the market's supposed to be moving. And they're saying by 10:36, so I might not be able to get a trade until 10:36 unless she breaks up. But we're going to try to break out of this market maker from point A to point B if the market is going up. I'm going to add one more thing to this chart here so I can find out what the market energy has been. So I'm going to add one more thing here. Market maker, market scanner, market analysis. I think it was called market analysis. Or do I have already a market analysis? I do, sorry. It's been a while. My brain has been fuzzy. It's been gone for about a month and I've been trading slowly here. Market cycle, market maker, market scanner. Oh, swing market. I remember what it was called. Swing market analyzer. That's right. That's what I want. Okay. So the market energy has been very, very tight. It looks like it's still in the positive area, but we had a bigger drop on this zone. Okay, that's all I want to know. I want to see what this energy is. Okay, we'll take a look at that and we'll go from there. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching over to this chart. As you can see, just wait, actually before I do that, what I want to do is, okay, we've had a lot of resistance from London and Asian session, and we're just breaking that session. Okay, so what I need to know, here we go again, and what we're going to do is we're going to pop this up. We have support and resistance. We have the open range high, open range low, volume point of control. A lot of energy on the pop out, and we've got 3 stops. Perfect. So we hit first market maker stop. Let me see here. Energy 1, energy 2, start going back. Big energy 3. And we're just going to let them play back and forth. We're moving, wow, actually we're moving a little faster than I like. We're moving at 20 points a minute. So 69, 59, 49. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to put a buy limit for now.
Order submitted.
I'm going to go to 49.50, somewhere right around here. I'm just going to wait for a while, and we're just going to watch the market for a little bit. What our goal is going to be, if it does take off, if it bounce up, we make 5 points, that's great. And wave 1, wave 2. Actually, I'm going to buy market right now.
Order filled.
And what I'm going to do,
Order canceled.
what we're going to do is we're going to try to get to our target.
Order submitted.
At 92.25, so we're at 77.92.25, and the reason why is this is a stop out. That's what we shoot for. And as you can see, it's trying to break this zone here. There is a stop here, so it might just pop, touch, and break back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a limit order here. I said 20-point difference.
Order
So
submitted.
85, 75, 65, share 56. Hopefully we can get enough energy to break this zone. And we'll go from there. And while this is grinding away, okay, we have a full bar and a full bar. So what these dots are, and I gotta actually update this this indicator here. I have to give it to you. These little dots basically are representing that the energy is starting to get strong. And this is designed for a Henkin Eshi on this one, but we have to break the zone here. We're at 10:09, perfect. Hopefully get to 10:15 to the top. Once it gets to the top, we're basically down to trade for the day. 87, 88. Come on, keep on going. Wants to break. Keep on going.
Order filled.
And we are done. $375 for today, and
Order
that's our trade for
canceled.
today. So in conclusion, I know it went fast. We start at 8 o'clock, 91.25. So we did hit the 92 high volume marker, and we're done. And we're hitting all these zones of stop outs. That's why I don't want to get in there. So basically what it's going to do is it might punch through or just break down. So on the trading methodology, and I'm rambling today because I haven't showed it basically in a month. Oh, there you go. Even day trend positive. It's actually good. We could probably go to 30, 40, but I'm not. I'm done my marker for today. So basically what we're looking for is, I just want to see how the market was playing. And see, this is the reason why I start my video at 10 o'clock is I want to get out of this area, okay? A lot of traders that are junior traders would ask me, Mike, how do you do it? How do you do it? I used to always show morning trades and showing how the swings work and everything. But basically what I want to show you is, you know what? Some days it's going to drop like crazy and you lose your trade. But the most conservative way of trading is wait until top of the hour, the first half hour when the cash is closed. Let them play this game, see what kind of vibrations that they're doing. Look at this, it really did take off from 94, son of a gun. But, and then see what they do. So you can see high impulse buy, whip down, retest, go for it again, come back down within the high volume zone, and then it finally took off. And we only took a really small percentage of 15-20 points from here to 94. I think it was 92. It was 92. So we got it right to the top of the point before she exploded. Okay, and what we wanted to do is wait until 10 o'clock. So here's 10 o'clock. I just came on my computer, just waiting, seeing what's happening. Saw a big gap here, means it should go hopefully to point A and point B. Once I knew that was set, plus this area where the support and resistance is, and now we know it might go up here because we're 64, what I can do, then I go to my trade chart, and what my trade chart does, now there's two areas where you can trade if you want to watch it earlier in the day from 9:50 on. I'm going to be updating this in the Discord soon. I just have to, today, maybe by the weekend I'll make sure it's up there. I'll add the couple extra indicators here. But and I think this one is already in the new system. But basically with the MACD, what I did is I just put the MACD crossovers from the max scan, from looking at previous energies to current energies in data mining. So we know when it crosses, we might have an opportunity to get into the trade, such as in here. But usually what you'll see is when the MACD does hit, there's a little bit of a pullback. This one was an explosion. See here, just even though it's a minor pullback, we can get a trade in. Okay, this is one of the most conservative ways which you can, if you're just trying to make, or I shouldn't say make, but hopefully become a consistent trader. That's one of the ways you can go. So basically what it's doing is I'm showing you energy color, saying it's supposed to be a sell-off, pullback yellows, right? Then with the MACD, but then what I'm using also are these numbers, okay? And this is not in in the pack yet, and it will be soon. I use these numbers as if I see it depends on the time of day, but once you get used to it, I will look at to see what the reaction is. All of a sudden, energy hits at 454, and then you know the snap, so you can take the trade. 531, I'll see if it was reversal, but if it keeps on going, we'll do it again. Look at this, 1000, that's a breakout, comes back, retest, and then explosion, explosion, explosion. So what we'll do is we'll keep on watching these numbers, usually, and see if there's hardly any numbers, and see if there's going to be a pull down. In conjunction with delta, in conjunction with the energy, in conjunction of where we start. So when we look at this, it turns around, turning. Now, if with the see it through indicator that I wrote, let's go back. Let's go back. It's blue. It's actually, this technically would be, we've been thinking it would be a selling opportunity, and then it switches, possibly buying opportunity, and there was your breakout. And see how the white bars is your pullback, and the outside skins is the same color. It means we're still looking for positive movement, and away we go again. Here, as you can tell, is this could be the bottleneck where the stop outs are for them to sell off, pull back, continue on, or exhaustion, one or the other. And we're at 10:15, so 10:15 is usually probably could be another pop here right away. And that's what I'm looking for. So now the indicators I'm using here, now there might be a number of them, and some of them you won't hit. I call it Henkinashi hit. It's going to be changed a different name. These are these dots. I was originally designing it for a higher time frame, but I found it works good on a 1 minute, even 2 minute, 5 minute, but the lower time frames not. The see it through is the color coded bars. Of course, order blocks are we don't actually see any right now. It's not even showing here. Let's see if there's, let's see if we can see any order blocks coming up. This white one right here. I have it set in white. So this order block broke, so they possibly hit this order block for a turnaround because this one's failed. Okay. I should put it back to the purple that I do for 4 hour, or it's probably 1 hour order block. Order block, see it through interband. Interband won't show until 10:30. Point of control is this marker right here. Stop outs are all these lines, and this is what I use for reference for targets. Max scan is this one. ATR, which is just a regular Ninja Trader, which I'm going to change a little bit that I can have it. But that's this market and seeing how fast the market's moving. That's why I said 20 is a little high. I prefer about around 10 for myself. The 20 is a little rich. And then the ABC Henkinashi hit, and what that is this one. This is for this indicator is designed for Henkinashi bars, but I have two numbers connected to it, and I have to separate them because it didn't work the way I wanted. And of course the order flow from Ninja Trader. Okay, the other indicators I'm using on this side, just for my 2-chart analysis really quick. I want to know how the market's performing, so basically this is technically inversed. Let's do it again. So basically it's following this pattern, come down, pop up, hitting peak, pop up, and then it looks like possibly around 10:36 she'll do the pull down, maybe deep enough till 12:20 if this is the pull down, and then we could take the ride up because this is a day trend positive. Okay, wanted to see what the market looked like from here, but as you can see we're getting close to the end. So, and I want to know the energies. So day trend, as you saw, market open. Where is our market open? Market open is right here, the market open marker right here. Market maker, these are the lines that I know where they like to be attracted to, because that's what these guys do. We know that's where all their volume is. Market scanner, which is this red thing down there. Market analysis, which is the boxes. Volume bars, which is the color codes. And swing market analyzer right here. So that's what I'm using for this package here, so I can understand what is happening. As you can see, and I'm shutting her down for today. Let's go back. Let's go back. High volume, of course, in the morning. Exhaustion, as you can see, the numbers are cooling off. Exhausts, high volume right here, a little olive. Was try to break out 950, comes back down, and then as you can see, there's not as much volume here. Look at this. There's no blues. I always look for the blues and yellows. Those are the key ones, and there's nothing there. So other than that, if you have any questions, you know where to find me on email or just at the website or on Discord at abc123trader.com. Other than that, just pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.